New just listed home, 5704 Half Moon Lake Road, Tampa, Florida, by Luis Cornejo and Judy Avellaneda from the military veteran team. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath waterfront home offers an unparalleled blend of tranquility and modern comfort. Located along the serene shores of Half Moon Lake, it features an expansive living room flooded with natural light and elegant ceramic tile floors. The gourmet kitchen boasts sleek countertops, a breakfast bar, and top-of-the-line appliances. The spacious primary suite features an ensuite bathroom that adds a touch of luxury, plus the 3 additional bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed with plush carpeting, offer ample space for family, guests, or a home office. Enjoy outdoor living on an enclosed patio and deck with breathtaking water views. With ski access right from your backyard, this retreat is perfect for both relaxation and adventure.